What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about the Dracast 600 Silkray. The goal for this video is not to show you unboxing, but more so the idea is for you to let you know how been using this light and the application I've been using in the past year. So this light I've had since I believe, last Thanksgiving 2018. And I didn't want to do an unboxing back then. I figured give it some time, utilize it, see where you end up using it, and share what I've been doing with it. This is by far my favorite go-to light for soft light. Everywhere I go, pretty much this goes with me. The versatility of this light is incredible. The hard built of this unit is really something that impressed me. The yokes are really nice, and it comes with available V-mount, which allows you to power it up remotely. Yeah, there you go. Just drop in the V-mount battery in there and good to go. What makes this my favorite light as far as go-to soft light? I will show you some samples of my BTS in the past year of this unit. This light has been used in tabletop photography, portraits, and some videos. Just basically a great light. Granted, it's not a very powerful light, but in short distances, this has a really great results for skin tones and just the look. For the quality that I've seen thus far in my own personal work, I believe that this unit has surpassed my expectation, and so I'm quite happy with it. Now I'm actually looking to buy possibly a 30-inch light, not by Dracast, by another brand, but these lights have been very useful for me. I didn't see the need for any barn doors or anything like that, but crates would come nicely to cut and shape the light a little bit more. But thus far, this thing has gone to work for me, and I made my money's worth utilizing this in majority of my shoots. Comes in handy, interviews, quick setup, and the thin profiles, great for limited spaces and places that you shoot. Overhead lighting, nice, beautiful lighting. Underneath lighting as well. Just generally a lot of applications you can use this for that I've discovered throughout the year. Even just hand holding it. When you're using strobes or anything like flash, you can't technically see the composition. You can, but the lighting you have to kind of test it with when you trigger it. But this, when you have it on a monitor and you have a remote on the camera and you try and take some stills, I can see it on the spot where I can land the light, and this has made my workflow so much faster. I have gotten great quality results and time and being able to turn around the content for my clients. Given it's a digital age now, everybody needs content, and content is king. Many of my clients just need enough high quality, not super high in quality where it's a big budget and big production, but enough to look like it's high quality. And this has made a lot of my shoots really pop even more. So I'm quite happy with this unit. It's still going strong a year later. I have not dropped it, thank God. But yeah, and so I would say if you are looking to buy a soft light, very versatile and lightweight, and for the price, not too bad at all. Get it on sale for about 170, 190 bucks through B&H or possibly even Dracast itself. Dracast has their facility up in Burbank. Sometimes they come out with specials. So once again, I want to let you know about the Dracast 600 Silkray, and very useful light. And thank you for watching. Make sure to follow Focal Finder. Thanks. Peace.